Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran. Welcome home everybody. So what are we doing today? What are we cooking?
Salpicón de mariscos. Does it say
Salpicón.
anything? How do you say that in English?
It could be like
It's like
sea shrimp salad.
sea salad splash
Wow.
if you translate it. Well, whatever. It's a salad with seafood.
It's a seafood salad.
Right.
Okay, there we go. So it's a seafood salad that it has taken us like 20 minutes to say what on earth we're gonna do. So what is it? Really, it is something that we have done always for you. Any type of celebrations that we have at home, we have had.
Yeah, it's
Salpicón.
very, very easy. People love it. So we'll show you the easy way, and then you can add
Whatever you want. It is that to me, it reminds me of your aunt because it was what she used to do always.
Yeah, but my mother also makes it for celebrations, Christmas, birthdays, whatever. It's very convenient. You put it in the fridge and then you serve it.
And in fact, it is good. I think it's better the day after.
Yeah, probably.
When all the flavors mix. Anyway.
Okay, so let's go.
Shall we? So let's go. Welcome everybody home. Okay. Let's go. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have a bunch of parsley that I love. There we go. There. And our golden guy. Yay! Okay. So sorry for that. I just ran over, I know. Okay, so what do we need? So we have pre-cooked shrimp. We have mussels. Let me show you. All these mussels are already cooked as well. Sorry. Then you have some green pepper. You have red peppers. We have chopped gherkins. And this can be either here, if you follow us, you know that we do pickled onions. Okay, so these are our homemade pickled onions. But if not, you can buy normal pickled onions and put them. Okay, so it is that we do have homemade ones. And then you need some very good olive oil. The trick here is that all the products have to be good, so the olive oil is important. Salt and vinegar. What vinegar is this?
Oh, wow. It's one of the vinegars my sister gives me.
Okay, so I think it's sherry, if I'm not wrong.
I'm not sure. Yeah, probably it's a sherry vinegar, but it's made in Seville, so in a village nearby, and it's quite a strong vinegar, so we don't put much. But I would say, if you obviously don't have this vinegar, but use sherry vinegar, any kind of vinegar that has flavor and that you like. That's the only thing you need.
Just one thing. Does the sun bother you? Do you want me to turn?
It's bothering me, but it's okay.
Do you want me to turn?
Yeah, please.
Let me turn this down so you're not blinded.
I'm a bit blinded by the sun.
Okay.
Right. So, I mean, yeah, it has some preparation, and then you are seeing us just mixing things, but you can buy boiled langoustine or shrimps. How do you call these shrimps? These are boiled mussels.
Hold it. Let me get very close to them. Yay.
Yeah, in fact, I cut them in half because they are way too big for these more chunky pieces, right? So, yeah, easy. I've been cutting this. Well, in fact, it was not me. It was Fran who did it. So you cut it and you see how easy it is. So we are using mussels, but you can use whatever. Shrimps.
If you have lobster, obviously it's going to be better.
Could be.
You're going to have.
So this is for color, and also it's makes the salad, because for a salad you need vegetables. So green pepper, red pepper, green pepper. Gherkins.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet sour gherkins. Well, use whatever, but we use the small ones because we like them. And then the onion, and that we pickled, but otherwise.
So, if you like pickled onions,
sweet sour also. Yeah. It's
in the feed here. We have shown you already how we pickle our onions. Okay.
Right.
And then you just have to dress it, which is pretty cool.
So you see, I'm using my hands. I use my hands a lot.
Yep. A little bit of salt.
Vinegar.
Be careful with the vinegar, because remember that the gherkins and the onions are already pickled.
So always salt and vinegar first, then oil. This is a very flavorful oil. I really like this kind of oil.
Yes.
It's arbequina, which is a kind of olive. And in fact, I cannot tell you how much. Depends on your amount. And you just mix
can
it.
you show us the little, how do you call this, utensils?
The mixers?
And they're cute. They're fishy. I love them.
Fine.
So, guess what? The salad is done.
Guess what? Just use your imagination, what you have in the supermarket or the fishmonger nearby. And you can serve it like this, and then people serve themselves. Try it just to check if you need more or less.
So, let me make a close-up. Let's say that is what we are going to cook today, okay? The thing is that you can present it that or do individual servings.
You can if you want, like...
Normally we don't. Normally we just put the bowl in the middle of the table and people takes it and it's super, super good.
But you could, maybe do this if you want. And then...
Look at it.
Use a fork.
Okay, this is a perfect presentation. Girl, you're the best.
You know.
Okay, let me come this way. So as you can see, it is a very easy, as I said at the beginning, I personally like it better the day after.
Yeah, it's better.
Because all the flavors mix and it's a little bit better. Stir it in the fridge and serve it directly from the fridge. Cold, super good. I love it. What can I say?
Okay. Send us pictures if you cook it.
Yes, send us pictures. We'd love to see the pictures when you guys cook what we do.
Yeah, and if you live nearby the sea, that's easier.
Oh, what?
If you live nearby the sea, this will be.
Oh yes, if you live by the sea. I mean, Maine, those lobsters.
Yeah, but otherwise, supermarket things are okay.
Are good enough. What else? Please like this video. It helps us position our YouTube channel, and if you want to share it, that would be amazing. Follow us on YouTube, on Facebook, and everything. And also, in the feed down here, you have a link to our newsletter where you can find everything that we are going through for this year.
And send us pictures if you cook this. Well,
mix all these ingredients.
Mix this.
And guess what, everybody? Thank you so much for being home today, and we love you.
So yeah, join us next Sunday.
See you next week.
Bye.
Love ya. Adios.